Our forces won't stand a chance with those cruisers in place. Commence attack run. Y-Wing squadron has joined us. Cover them so they can perform a bombing run.
This ship can't take much more of that.
We'll never get through while those Imperial cruisers are still there.
Moving in. Maybe a torpedo will help.
Our blockade runners are here. Keep the Imperials off them and they will deal out serious damage.
Not coming back from that! I keep telling him, worth flight sim training first.
This is it.
Keep at it. Structural failure imminent. Finish them off.
Stabilize!
One cruiser down. One to go.
Nicely done. Ship's taken a lot of hits. Don't let them shoot our bombers down.
The cruisers are down. Scanning for additional defenses.
Rebel Alliance will win the day. All systems.
That dock is heavily shielded. We'll need to target those generators.
Could have done it better myself. No returning from that.
Key reinforcements are here. Y-Wing bombers. Keep them safe.
No, no, no!
Thanks. Good work. Our Y-Wings finished their bombing run.
We got him.
Take down those shield generators. Then we can go after the Star Destroyer.
Not sure I'm making it out of this. My droid says I'm being followed. Yes! One step closer to ending this.
Generator down. Continue. Another down. Making headway.
Your ship can't take much more of that.
Safeguard those bombers.
Enemy destroyed.
Only one left.
These guys are nuts.
Good power, I can say. Generators down. Stand by. Scanning for intel.
They're targeting you. Got him. That's some fancy flying. Let's finish him off.
Unfortunate. The Star Destroyer shields remain up, but the duct clamps powering them are vulnerable. Disable them. Our battle cruisers arrived right on time. Take out those defenses and watch its cannons go to work. Our Y-Wings have initiated their bombing run. We need you to run interference.
Take him out.
Almost done here, looks like. I'll help you mop up. We've got the advantage.
Hit those clamps to depower the destroyer shields.
The enemy's got you in their sights.
Shields offline. Now, focus all fire on the reactor. We don't have much time.
Knocking him down.
Done, I am. Through you. Their defeat will come. One of our blockade runners is taking damage. Defend it. Shields back up. Concentrate fire on the power clamps.
Let's finish this. And drinks are on me.
Collision alert.
This will be a snap.
Your skills are impressive.
Taking too many hits. I'm out. Good luck.
They got us!
The reactor is wide open. Hit it with everything you've got before the shields are back online.
Find me a target, buddy.
Good one.
Let's get this done. Almost through this thing.
We've lost the blockade runner. I don't like our chances if we lose another.
You sure you're not a Jedi?
We're losing a deflector. He had it coming.
Shields down. We have a brief window to target the reactor. Quickly, before they come back online. The Star Destroyer's reactor is critical. It won't take much more.
Can't hold out much longer.
We've done it. We've loosened the Empire's grip on this entire system.